Hey, are you tired wearing the usual red and green jewelry set? Looking for something trendy and other than these colors? Then you have clicked on the right video. In today's video, I'm gonna share few amazing pastel jewelry set with you. It is gonna be a huge necklace set haul which you're gonna surely love. Who are we? We are Bling Bag, your one-stop destination for Bollywood-inspired and premium quality jewelry in 50 plus color options to perfectly match your outfit. Our job is to make your job easy, and let's get started with today's video. By the way, stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm gonna show you a masterpiece necklace which you don't wanna miss. Starting up with the very first necklace set I have here is of crepe color. Call it crepe or nude, it's one and the same. These are neutral color jewelry, and such color jewelry is must have in your wardrobe because they would definitely go with every other outfit you have. This necklace set, it comes with a matching jhumki which is quite beautiful, and it also comes with a matching matha tikka. Mint is another pastel color which is quite loved. Mint is such a color, it never goes out of style. So this gorgeous kundan necklace, it has mint pearl going around, and it also has kundan work and a pearl detailing going around which looks very exquisite and beautiful. It also comes with a beautiful kundan jhumki. It also comes with a matha tikka which overall completes the look. This video would be incomplete if I did not mention blush color necklace set. Have you noticed that when it comes to wedding wear or ethnic wear, pink is always the main color, perfect to match your lehenga or any other ethnic outfit. This one right here is a kundan choker set. It comes with a matching earring which looks more beautiful, and the best part about this set is that it is blush in color, so it is not too loud and perfect for the wedding season. I have this one more gorgeous lemon color necklace set. This necklace so looks beautiful. By the way, lemon color jewelry is very underrated, but this necklace would be perfect for your haldi outfit in case if you're planning to match your jewelry with your outfit. Somebody who loves minimal jewelry and doesn't like heavy load jewelry, this one is perfect for you. It looks very minimal, it's very lightweight, it feels very comfortable, and it also comes with a matching jhumki and as well as a mang tikka. So talking about this necklace, again this necklace is something if you want a heavy look. This is a coral pastel necklace. It also comes with a matching jhumki which is more prettier, and it also comes with a matching matha patti. And the best part about this necklace is that you can of course wear it like this, but here is another hack. What you can do is place this necklace over your neck and make it look like a choker necklace, just like this one. So don't you think such jewelry pieces are perfect to invest in? By the way, we have a lot of color option available into this one also, which would be flashing on the screen. Such necklace sets are perfect to style it with your Indian ethnic wear and perfect for the wedding season. So every lady should have a multicolor neck piece in her wardrobe. So multicolor jewelry set is something when you're wearing something basic or something white, such pieces can totally lift up and add a lot of element into your look. I have this gorgeous piece from Bling Bag, and it also comes with a matching jhumki which is very small and yet cute, and a same matha tikka to overall complete the look. So if you're somebody who prefers minimal and one line necklace, this one is for you. The next jewelry piece I have is turquoise in color, and it is a kundan jewelry set which has a gold base. Again, this is a one-liner necklace which looks very classy and exquisite. It comes with a matching jhumki which has a gold base and a turquoise pearl detailing on the edge. It comes with the most beautiful and very cute mang tikka. If you're somebody who wants to invest in a necklace set, I would totally recommend you to invest in such jewelry pieces which comes into 3 pieces. Even though you don't like to wear the earring and necklace set together, of course you can wear it separately. This turquoise necklace set is something you should definitely invest in because turquoise color, they look perfect when you wear it in summer weddings, and such color, they never go out of style. the best neck piece to the last. This one is a multi-color gorgeous statement neck piece. This one looks very gorgeous, and what more steals the attention is its earring, because this one is very unique and looks very pretty. Gorgeous statement kundan neck piece has two gem color, which is turquoise and blush pink, and these two color you would usually find on any other ethnic wear. So have some option available into this design, which would be flashing on the screen. In case if you're planning to wear a lehenga or into a sangeet party, this one is a statement piece that you should definitely invest into. This necklace is very unique and looks very beautiful. As promised earlier, I told you, right, I would be showing the statement piece in the very end, and this one I was talking about. This one is a gorgeous, very statement and classy necklace piece. Best part, I'll tell you, it comes with a matching earring as well as the matha patti, and matha patti is something which would totally steal the look. Such necklace piece would look perfect when you're wearing a neckline which has a deep cut, or when you're wearing a statement necklace, you are highlighting your neckline as well. Talking more about this kundan necklace, thin detailing of pearl and the kundan work here, and it has mint beads. In case if you're somebody who loves this necklace, not enjoying this mint color, do not worry, we have a lot more options for you flashing on the screen. I'm sure you must have found your perfect necklace in this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Comment and tell us what type of jewelry do you prefer. Are you somebody who loves to wear the green and red kundan jewelry, or you're somebody who loves to wear pastel and the modern type of jewelry? Also comment your favorite jewelry piece from the video. Hit like on this video, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button right next to it, so every time we upload a video you get notified, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.